Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy watching, guys. The ice truck struggles down the frozen road, fighting against the blizzard. Its frosty headlights show a worried face, snow piling on its windshield. Help me! Inside, Tom shivers in his thick jacket, peering through the icy glass.
NANI?!
The truck skids sideways, sliding helplessly into a deep snowbank.
Oh no!
Snow piles higher around the stranded truck, trapping it in the storm. Tom steps out, clutching his coat as the freezing wind whips around him. Snow clings to Tom's beard as he scans the storm with anxious eyes. He waves his arms for help, but the empty road offers no answer. Help me! The ice truck exhales weak steam, its headlights drooping with sadness.
Huh?
Suddenly, a faint light glows in the distance through the swirling snow. Out of the storm emerges a mighty red tractor, strong and determined. The tractor's glowing headlights shine with heroic determination.
Wow!
Hope returns to Tom's face as he spots the red tractor approaching. The tractor halts before the truck, its warm steam defying the cold.
Yay!
The truck's headlights brighten, relief washing over its frozen face. The tractor lowers its heavy tow chain, locking it firmly to the truck. Snow whirls violently as the tractor revs, ready to pull with power. The chain tightens as the tractor strains, dragging the truck forward. The ice truck trembles as snow breaks free from its frozen roof. Together, the two vehicles push forward, headlights glowing in the storm.
Huh?
Tom cheers with joy, pumping his fist as his truck begins to move. With one final heave, the tractor pulls the ice truck free at last. They pause on solid ground as the storm slowly begins to fade.
Huh?
Tom pats the red tractor gratefully, a smile warming his frozen face. Side by side, the truck and tractor roll onward through the snowy night. See you! Bye-bye.